Alright, this is Ray. This is Ray. Yeah, we got each other all the years long. Yeah, we got each other through the zones of the summer, winter, all the seasons. Alright, so we seasoned and destined to be all through the seasons. Alright? Summer, winter, fall, autumn, and spring. Yeah, we springing along all year long. Yeah. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, through the summers and the winters and the falls and autumns. Yeah. We got each other through the years. This is Ray beatboxing. Yeah. We got each other through the years. Through winter, autumn, spring, all the winters and the trees and the trees and the leaves, yeah, we on the branches, yeah, we branched out, this is Ray with the sound coming out of the speakers. We got each other, yeah, we chipper, yeah, we got a chip on our shoulders as we be leaning our shoulders and our ear, another mirror through the year. This is Ray, yeah. This is Ray with the voice sing, yeah. Through the weathers, winter, summer, autumn, and spring. Chipper, yeah, we're cheering. Yeah, beatboxing, singing, rapping, freestyling, got each other through the years. Yeah, we going through the motions with the motionings of the hearing, of the sounding. This is Ray. This is Ray, yeah. This is Ray, through the summer, winter, spring, yeah. Why? January, February, yeah. This is Ray, yeah. Springing my voice through the spring and the fall while the leaves be falling down. I'll be getting down and up with the sounds, and this is Ray right now. I'll be beatboxing, my soundings, and I'll be cheering, everybody cheering together through the weathers. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. August, September, October, November, December. Yeah, the summer and the winter is here, and the fall is here. The winter year, all the seasons we be trees in the season with the trees and the leaves on the branching. All of the soundings that we branched down. Yeah, we got them sounds that we do with our mouths. Yeah, it's raining on mouthing right now. I'm speaking right now. I'm speeching right now. I'll be speeching, I'll be singing, I'll be rapping. I'm a rapper, singer, a dancer. Yeah, we dance just to have all of these soundings that we vocalizing. Yeah, we got each other through the years. Like a ape, I'll be going ape. Like a person in a jungle, could I be really juggling my voices? Yeah, like I'm in a jungle in a circus though. And this is Ray with the sounds in a freestyling right now. Yeah, we got each other through the years, in the years, the tears. Yeah, we got each other with the leaves in the trees that be out here with our hair. Like the antennas on the real branches, like the leaves that be on the trees. Yeah, this is Ray right now. With them sounds through the years, in the winter, in the springs, in the fall, in the autumn. Oh yeah. This is Ray. Alright, this is Ray. And it's in the AM. It's in the AM right now. And I'm still trying to make them sounds. I'm still making them sounds. For everybody that be out here with the sounds, yeah, yodeling. Sound of sound out here with the sound waves, and I wave with the river stream, with the waves in the currency. Currently, I'll be seeing lots of things that I'm seeing. I'm seeing all fours, seeing everybody with the fours and the threes and the seven, and it's lucky number seven with the four clovers. Yeah, I'll be four seeing with the fours and the threes. A 1, 2, 3. I'll be counting up the seasons. Yeah, I'm seasoned. We be seasoned with the seasons. Trees in the seasons, cause the trees be having lots of leaves through the seasons. That we see through the seas and the seas what we see with our eyes. Hey, I be realizing lots of realization that we real out here and we keep it real with each other. This is Ray with the sound and the vocalizing, harmonizing, yeah, and the yodeling and the beatboxing, freestyle, singing, rapping, and dancing. Yeah, through the winter and the summer. And yeah, this is Ray with them sounding real. Cause I'm real and I realize you're real. And everybody real. I'm do a live and I'm really live and I'm going live on the video chats. Cause I chat and I'm speaking, speak. I'll be speeching, teaching, learning, all of that. That's what we do when we bring it right back. Cause we there for each other through the years, through the years. In the air, through the years. Yeah. I wasn't worried too much about what my voice was talking about. Sounded like I was just trying to get all of the things off of my mind. The wordings that I've been wording and really branching in all the things that I'm seeing in my mind. Yes, Ray, with the rhyme. Yes, me and it's you. Everybody do be there for each other. We be cheering, chipper. We be chipper, we be glad is, yeah. Yeah, we really real with the reals, and we always be looking out for each other through the weather. Alright, this is Ray. Alright, y'all, this is Ray with my freestyle of the AM. This is Ray, alright, y'all.